cats to ever meet a digital camera. At number 10, a little guy with excellent table manners. Number 9 here makes you worry about the fate of this carefree little puppy once the camera was turned off. Coming in at number 8, some kids with a really nice swimming pool and a really sick sense of humor. And number 7, if more married couples acted like this, maybe the divorce rate wouldn't be quite so high. Number 6 really makes you hope that whole 9 lives thing is true. Cute cat video number 5 is like a piece of performance art, titled Cat, Box, Velocity. And coming in at number 4, a cute cat video that could have ended very badly for the human guest star. Scientists use the mirror test to determine both self-awareness and intelligence. As video number 3 here shows, cats lack both. Number 2 here is really very wrong on a number of levels. Making it right, I guess. And the number 1 cutest cat video on the internet, just a really cute cat.
Wait,